One can't underestimate the sheer power of a well-structured morning routine, especially when it comes to weight loss success. Imagine the morning as a blank canvas, each dawn providing a fresh opportunity to paint the day with the strokes of positivity, productivity, and healthful habits. Now, how do we transform this beautiful metaphor into reality? That's where the magic of morning routines come into play. Morning routines are not just about getting out of bed and rushing through the motions of the day. They're about taking those first few moments to set the tone for the rest of the day. They're about carving out a pocket of time that's dedicated to well-being. When it comes to weight loss, a well-structured morning routine can be our secret weapon. It's like setting the stage for a performance. A good start can lead to a strong finish. By starting the day with a focus on healthy habits, we're more likely to make better choices throughout the day, aiding in weight management. But don't just take my word for it. Science backs this up too. A study published in the Obesity Research and Clinical Practice Journal found that individuals who followed a consistent morning routine had a lower body mass index than those who didn't. Another research from the University of New South Wales revealed that morning routines that included physical activity, even if it was just a 10-minute stretch, led to significant weight loss over time. Morning routines are not just about the physical, though. They also offer mental benefits. They can help reduce stress, improve focus, and foster a positive mindset. And remember, a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body in our weight loss journey. So, let's make the most of that golden morning light. Let's harness its energy and channel it into a routine that will set us on the path to success. A routine that is not a chore, but a celebration of a new day and a new opportunity to take a step towards a healthier you. So if you're ready to kickstart this weight loss journey, it all starts with the first 10 minutes of the day. Step 1, hydrate. Water is the elixir of life, and a glass of it first thing in the morning can do wonders. Start the day with a glass of water. It's a small step, but it holds the key to a healthier body. Hydration is crucial to our overall health, and it plays a significant role in weight loss too. When we wake, our body is somewhat dehydrated. By drinking water first thing in the morning, we replenish our body's water levels, kickstarting our metabolism for the day. A squeeze of lemon in the glass will give us a boost of vitamin C as well. A well-hydrated body can digest food more efficiently. It also helps in better nutrient absorption. This means less bloating, improved digestion, and ultimately, a slimmer waistline. Drinking water also helps to flush out toxins from our body. This small yet powerful act of self-care can provide a much-needed boost to our weight loss journey. So tomorrow morning, before reaching for that cup of coffee, grab a glass of water first. Remember, a hydrated body is a happy body. Step 2, stretch. Stretching isn't just for cats, it's for us too. If you've ever noticed how a cat wakes up from a nap, you'll see it instinctively stretching its body, from the tip of its tail to its little nose. It's a natural wake-up call for the muscles, and guess what? We humans can benefit from the same principle. You see, when we stretch, we're increasing the blood flow to our muscles. More blood means more oxygen and nutrients, which helps the muscles perform better throughout the day. Stretching also helps improve posture. When you're sitting or standing tall, our body's organs have the space they need to function optimally. This helps us burn calories more efficiently, aiding in weight loss. And lastly, stretching feels good. It's a wonderful way to wake up your body and start the day on a positive note. So stretch, and your body will thank you. Step 3, mindful eating. It's not just about what we eat, but how we eat it. Imagine a world where every bite you take is a celebration of the food's flavor, texture, and aroma, where you're not just gobbling down your meals, but truly savoring them. This is mindful eating, an approach to food consumption that can revolutionize our relationship with food. Mindful eating is about being fully present during meals, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, and appreciating the sensory experience of eating. It's like yoga for eating habits. We're not just scarfing down our sandwich, we're taking the time to enjoy the crunch of the lettuce, the tanginess of the mustard, and the softness of the bread. So how does this help with weight loss? Well, when we eat mindfully, we tend to eat slower, giving our stomach time to signal the brain that we're full. This naturally leads to portion control because we're less likely to overeat when we pay attention to the body's signals. Mindful eating also promotes healthier food choices. When we truly savor our food, we find that whole, natural foods are more satisfying and flavorful than processed ones. We might find ourselves reaching for an apple instead of a bag of chips, not because we're on a diet, but because we appreciate the apple's crispness and natural sweetness more. Moreover, mindful eating helps reduce stress eating and emotional eating. When we're mindful, we're more aware of emotions and can separate feelings from eating habits. We learn to eat when we're hungry, not when we're stressed or bored. Remember, mindful eating is not a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's not about deprivation, it's about enjoyment. It's not about counting calories, it's about counting experiences. So next time you sit down for a meal, try to be fully present. Appreciate the food in front of you. Savor each bite. Listen to your body. And most importantly, enjoy the process. When you eat mindfully, every bite counts. Step 4. Positive affirmations. The mind is a powerful tool, so let's use it to our advantage. Now let's delve into the realm of positive affirmations. They're not just feel-good phrases or self-praise, but rather, they're powerful catalysts for change. Think of them as your personal cheerleaders, constantly rooting for you, believing in you, even when you find it hard to believe in yourself. Positive affirmations are like seeds planted in the soil of your mind. When nurtured with belief and consistency, they bloom into beautiful realities. When it comes to weight loss, these affirmations can help reshape your self-image, boost your self-esteem, and motivate you towards healthier choices. By affirming things like, I am strong, I am capable, and I am worthy of good health, you are setting a positive tone for your journey. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining health, confidence, and a sense of control over life. One tactic I found useful is to practice saying no when I'm not hungry. For example, opening up the fridge and saying no to something I would say yes to. Practicing when I'm not stressed is a good practice for when I am. It's easier to say no when I've been practicing saying it all week. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Now that we've journeyed through our 10-minute morning routine, let's recap. In our quest for weight loss success, we began our day by hydrating. The first sip of water after a long night's sleep not only quenches thirst, but also kickstarts our metabolism, aiding in weight loss. Remember, hydration is the foundation of our routine and a healthy life. Next, we moved our bodies and stretched. A good stretch in the morning helps to wake up the body, improve circulation, and increase flexibility. It's a gentle way to tell our body it's time to get moving. It's not about strenuous exercise. It's about waking up with care and respect for our body. Then we ventured into mindful eating. It's not just about what we eat, but how we eat. Taking the time to savor and appreciate food can help us feel more satisfied and prevent overeating. Food is not the enemy in our weight loss journey, it's our ally. Let's treat it as such and enjoy every bite. We wrapped up our routine with positive affirmations. Words are powerful. They can shape our mindset and influence our behavior. By starting the day with positive affirmations, we're setting the tone for a successful, motivated day. We're telling ourselves that we are capable, that we are worthy, and that we can achieve our weight loss goals. Overall, this 10-minute morning routine is designed to set us up for success. It's about more than weight loss. It's about cultivating a healthy mindset and lifestyle. It's about respecting our body and fueling it properly. It's about starting the day with intention and positivity. And most importantly, it's about consistency. Keep these steps in mind and make them a part of your daily routine. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. Start your day right and the rest will follow. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for progress.